Amazon RDS provides comprehensive backup and recovery capabilities to protect your database. In this video, we'll explore the two primary backup methods: automated backups and manual snapshots. Understanding these options is crucial for implementing effective disaster recovery and data protection strategies for your RDS instances. RDS offers two distinct backup approaches. First, we have automated backups, which are system-managed and provide continuous protection with point-in-time recovery capabilities. Second, we have manual snapshots, which are user-initiated and remain stored until you explicitly delete them. Each backup type serves different use cases, and together they provide comprehensive data protection. Automated backups are enabled by default when you create an RDS instance. The system performs a full daily backup during a preferred backup window that you can configure. Additionally, transaction logs are captured every 5 minutes, enabling precise point-in-time recovery. You can set a retention period ranging from 0 to 35 days, with 7 days as the default. Setting retention to 0 effectively disables automated backups. Point-in-time recovery is a powerful feature of automated backups. It allows you to restore your database to any specific second within your configured retention period. The recovery granularity goes down to 5 minutes before the current time, giving you precise control over restoration. This is invaluable when you need to recover from accidental data modifications or deletions. Manual snapshots provide user-controlled backup points. You can create them at any time through the AWS console, command line interface, or API. Unlike automated backups, manual snapshots have no automatic expiration and are retained indefinitely until you manually delete them. Keep in mind that storage costs apply for as long as you retain these snapshots, so it's important to manage them actively and delete snapshots you no longer need. Let's compare the key differences between these backup types. Automated backups are triggered automatically by the system, while manual snapshots require user initiation. Retention differs significantly. Automated backups last 0 to 35 days, whereas manual snapshots persist indefinitely. Only automated backups support point-in-time recovery. Finally, automated backups are deleted automatically after the retention period expires, while manual snapshots must be explicitly deleted by you. When you restore from either backup type, AWS always creates a new database instance with a new endpoint. You cannot restore directly over an existing instance. During the restoration process, you can customize the configuration, including the instance class, storage type, and other parameters. This flexibility allows you to optimize your restored database for current needs. Additionally, you can copy snapshots to different OS regions, enabling cross-region disaster recovery strategies. Follow these best practices for effective RDS backup management. First, set an appropriate backup retention period based on your specific recovery requirements and compliance needs. Second, always create manual snapshots before performing major changes or migrations as an additional safety measure. Third, test your restore procedures regularly to validate backup integrity and familiarize your team with the recovery process. Finally, use both automated backups and manual snapshots together for comprehensive, layered protection of your data.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.